Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify money market fund safety using Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. To verify the safety of a money market fund using Vanguard, begin by visiting the Vanguard website at www.vanguard.com. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Investments menu. Hover over Investments to reveal the drop-down options. Select Mutual Funds from the list provided. On the Mutual Funds page, find the search bar. Enter money market funds into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see a list of available money market funds. Click on the specific fund you want to investigate. This will take you to the fund's overview page. Look for the Overview tab if it's not already selected. On this page, check for important fund details such as the fund's objective and investment strategy. Scroll down to find the Performance section. Review the fund's historical returns to gauge performance consistency. Next, locate the Risk section on the page. Here, you'll find information about the fund's volatility and risk measures. Pay close attention to the Credit Quality portion, which shows the ratings of the securities held by the fund. A higher credit quality rating typically indicates lower risk. Now, look for the Fees section. Understand the fee structure, as lower fees generally lead to better net returns. To dig deeper into safety, locate the Fund's Portfolio tab. View detailed information about the fund's top holdings and sector allocations. Focus on the types of securities held, as government and high-quality corporate bonds are generally safer. Next, check for any recent news or updates related to the fund. Click on the Literature tab for the fund's prospectus. Reading the prospectus will give you insight into the fund's risks and strategies. You may also review the fund's management team for their experience and track record. Finally, consider evaluating peer comparisons found on the site. Assess how the fund stands against similar funds in terms of performance and risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.